Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable mouse cursor highlighter in OBS software. First of all, go to google.com and search pin attention mouse highlighter and go to this side, open and click download and click this one, start download and go to downloader then click programs and open this software to install. Yes, next, finish and go to taskbar and search pin attention, click and go to show hidden icons and right click, highlight setting and adjust opacity, select color, radius adjustment 20 and click highlight mouse as well as pen. Click this option and show pin cursor, apply, change, close. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.